In this video, I'm just going to show you how to set up the GetResponse version of your squeeze page. So as you can see here, there's 4 files. This one here is your traditional email, so it just has the email field. This is the traditional with the email and name field. This is the 2-step with just the email, and this is the 2-step with email and name fields. So first thing you have to do is decide which squeeze page you want to use. Okay, so for this example, let's just use the traditional with just the email. However, setting these up, it's all exactly the same. Okay, so the other thing you need to know is just because I've named these getresponse-email.php, you can name these whatever you want. You just have to leave the .php at the end. So you can name this index.php if you're going to add it right into the main root of your domain or into a separate folder, or you can name this file whatever you want, freereport.php, whatever you want. They're just labeled this way so you know what style they are. So if, let's say we're going to edit this one, you open this up in any text editor, and at the top of the file, you'll see this section right here. So what I've done is put everything that you need to, so you don't have to know HTML or how to code a web page. All you have to do is edit this section right here, and you'll be done. So let's go over it. So the title, that you just have to put here what your title of your page is. Here you just put your company name or your name, so it'll show up on the bottom of the page. This is the headline of your page. This is the subheadline of your page. This is the text that is on the button. This is the little disclaimer text that is below the button. And then now you can see these XX. You need to replace these 3 fields. Okay, so the first field is the only thing that you need to get from your actual GetResponse account. So if you're in your GetResponse account, if you're already on the campaign, you know what your campaign name is. But if you don't know what it is, there's several ways you can figure out what your campaign ID is. You can go into your form code, but the easiest thing to do is just on this little drop down here, just click campaign lists, and this is going to list all of the campaigns in your account. And what you see here, this is the campaign ID. So pick the list that you want your squeeze page to work with, and you just copy and paste that right into here. Replace those XXX with your campaign name. Now the next 2 fields are, oh, that's a spelling error. This is your error link if they don't subscribe to your thing for it. Let's say they quit or something like that, or something goes wrong. So I would just put your link here to whatever is your squeeze page or the page that you want them to go if something goes wrong. And then this is your redirect link. In other words, this is the URL, the link that you want your subscribers to go after they subscribe to your email. So you just put that in there. So once you've just edited these details, save the file, upload it to your web host, and you're done. If this all seems a little bit too complicated, you don't have a web host, you don't want to deal with this, then I would suggest using the ClickFunnels version that has been included.